Grand Old Partisan celebrates more than 16 decades of Republican heroes and heroics. Today, I decry Democrat devilry. This day in 1865, the Democrat-controlled legislature of Mississippi passed the nation's first black codes. These were laws that Democrats of the post-Civil War South enacted to impose near slavery on African Americans. According to these Democrat laws, African Americans could not vote, serve on juries, testify against white people, own guns, travel without permission, assemble for political purposes, own farmland, be outdoors at night, or change jobs without permission. Democrats decreed that all African Americans had to sign annual labor contracts with white masters, be deferential to all white people, be apprenticed, in practice enslaved, to white masters until adulthood, work only in agriculture and a few other occupations. After winning a two-thirds majority in Congress, Republicans swept away the black codes by passing, over the veto of Democrat President Andrew Johnson, the 1866 Civil Rights Act and other Reconstruction legislation. These laws guaranteed full civil rights to African Americans, many of whom then entered politics. Sadly, as Democrats regained control of the South in the 1870s, they again oppressed African Americans with a new set of regulations known as Jim Crow laws. Back to basics for the Republican Party is my civil rights history of the GOP. To quote the book, the more we Republicans know about the history of our party, the more the Democrats will worry about the future of theirs. For more information, see grandoldpartisan.com.